raw materials arrive in bulk. Material quality is verified. Surface contamination is removed.
Biological safety is ensured.
Moisture is eliminated. Solid structure breaks down.
Calcium-rich powder is produced.
Material is stored safely.
Processing continues forward.
Chemical transformation begins. All production begins inside controlled industrial facilities. Every section is designed for direct flow. Access control protects hygiene standards.
The layout defines the entire process.
Each stage feeds the next without interruption. Materials move through sealed systems. Parameters are monitored continuously.
The process advances automatically. Chemical processing happens under strict control.
This is where chemistry takes over.
Heat activates the transformation. Pressure is carefully regulated. Precise dosing dephones quality.
Uniformity is engineered.
Human oversight remains essential. The reaction reaches its endpoint. Raw minerals become usable compounds. Impurities are removed mechanically. Purity begins to take shape. The base ingredient moves forward. Moisture must be completely removed. Controlled heat stabilizes the material. Dryness is verified electronically. The structure becomes powder. Particle size begins to shrink. Texture is engineered precisely. Only exact particles continue. Nothing leaves until it meets spec.
The base ingredient is complete.
Now formulation begins. Formulation starts with precision. Liquids define consistency.
Uniform texture is engineered.
Flow properties are controlled.
Function is added deliberately.
Air is eliminated. Visual consistency matters.
The batch is ready.
Texture meets formulation. Production moves to packaging. Packaging begins with raw material.
Shape is created mechanically.
Structural integrity is locked in. Uniform length ensures precision. Orientation matters. Exact volume every time. Nothing passes unchecked. The product is enclosed.
Traceability is added.
Quality is about to be tested. Inspection begins immediately. Every tube is visually analyzed. Seals must hold under stress. Accuracy is reconfirmed. Defects never move ahead.
Human checks reinforce automation.
Presentation matters. Every unit leaves a digital trail. Only verified products advance.
Packaging is next.
Packaging begins with empty cartons. Every tube is carefully loaded.
Seals guarantee product safety.
Traceability and branding are ensured. Cases organize multiple cartons efficiently.
Sealed cases protect integrity.
Automation maximizes efficiency.
Humans ensure precision in stacking. Packaging secures the shipment.
The product is ready for storage and dispatch.
Samples are collected for precision testing.
Flow properties are verified.
Chemical composition is confirmed.
Hygiene is non-negotiable.
Only perfect batches proceed. Quality is always enforced.
Human eyes finalize the check.
Documentation guarantees traceability.
Products await dispatch. And this is how modern factories produce toothpaste from start to finish. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.